Welcome back to Health Helper. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple and healthy snacks you can make in under 5 minutes. These are perfect for when you're short on time, but still want something nutritious and delicious. Let's get started. Snack number 1, apple slices with almond butter. Just slice up an apple, spread on some almond butter, and you've got a tasty snack that's packed with fiber and healthy fats. For an extra kick, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Snack number 2, Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Take a serving of plain Greek yogurt, drizzle it with honey, and toss in a handful of nuts. This snack is full of protein, healthy fats, and a touch of sweetness to satisfy your cravings. Snack number 3, veggie sticks with hummus. Slice up some carrots, cucumbers, or bell peppers, and dip them in hummus. It's a crunchy, satisfying snack that's rich in vitamins and minerals. Plus, the hummus adds a great source of plant-based protein. Snack number 4, banana with peanut butter. Slice a banana in half, spread on some peanut butter, and you're good to go. This snack is perfect for a quick energy boost, thanks to the natural sugars in the banana and the protein in the peanut butter. Snack number 5, avocado toast. Mash up half an avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple snack is loaded with healthy fats and fiber, making it both filling and nutritious. And there you have it, 5 healthy snacks you can whip up in under 5 minutes. Give them a try and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and healthy tips from Health Helper. Thanks for watching and stay healthy!